Good morning again. We're on our way to Grand Canyon West. There are no errors on the van, just a check engine light. Hopefully that error doesn't come back today. So I got halfway to the Grand Canyon and look what happened. It's back! That makes me unhappy, but I'm gonna go see the Grand Canyon anyway. I'm here on the turnoff, so let's check out the Joshua Tree Forest.
No, sir.
Is it a service house or non-service?
Non-service.
Okay. We'll say we have two ways of doing this. One, you have kennels. Two, stay in the car. I know you're probably about the only person in the vehicle. Alright. So, with that being said, by Arizona State Law, we're not supposed to let the animal stay in the vehicle, no matter if it's hot or cold outside. With that being said, if you can have him where he doesn't get really seen and bouncing around too much, if you park a little bit further out than where those buses are, because that's where we're going to park the RVs anyway.
Okay.
As far as you know, I didn't say that, but you can leave him in the vehicle as long as he has food.
Okay.
But
Sounds
as
good.
far as that goes, you understand Arizona
I do
state
understand
law.
the rules now.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I just figured I'd give you a heads up, but yeah, just park a little bit further away than those buses, but over in that area.
Okay, thanks.
All right, thank you.
There it is, the Grand Canyon from the west side.
along this path, a little over a quarter mile, not that bad at all. Another great view from either one of these hills, especially that second hill. Then up there,
What are we going next? Paris. You ready? I really do have one booked for Paris. It's not this year's next year. So I can pay for it.
This is where I spent the night. Grand Canyon Western Ranch. And it was free. They let me park in the parking lot. Just wanted me to spend some money. So I had a good breakfast. And they're like, stay as long as you want. But they won't let me use their Wi-Fi and I can't get on the net and there's stuff I need to do. So, I headed back to the truck stop.